everyone, welcome to my channel. This ball from Katan Technology features function and integration, integrate multiple interfaces, adapt to the scenario, actuators, and other devices. To meet a variety of the connection needs, can flexibility to build control system, stable and reliable. High quality PCB material combined with the reasonable circuit layout, reduce the signal interference, ensure stable data transmission, improve system reliability. The advantage of the rear bundle, the color line clearly distinguish the signal. Easy install and maintain support the convenient expansion of the equipment, help efficient development and application. If you want to learn more product, please follow me. Thank you for watching.